Okay, just going to go through a quick overview of some interesting things tonight in the night sky. There's tons of stuff out there. But the first thing is Venus. It's getting close to the horizon. But if you're out early enough, you might be able to see it. Venus is a planet. Some people refer to it as Earth's twin because the mass and stuff is so close. But the atmosphere is mostly sulfuric acid, and it's fairly cloudy, so it's fairly brightish, and it probably helps reflect the light so you can see it. And down here we have Saturn. It's probably too close to the horizon to really see now. We'll take a closer look. Saturn and some of its moons. You have Titan over here. Titan has like a methane atmosphere and liquids, and the surface is covered with not covered, but there are several large lakes of liquid methane, and it has like an icy shell, and underneath has water and a rocky surface. That's the current guess what's going on there. Okay, so we'll swing out. And I said last night I saw Jupiter. I was right, it was in Taurus, the bull. Let's swing in and take a look. And that's the configuration of the moons. You have Io, which is the closest moon. It's a volcanic moon. It's fairly volcanic. What drives it is Jupiter's gravity and the gravity of the moon's tugging at it, so it warms up the core, and it causes volcanoes of sulfur and other compounds. This is the first object outside of Earth that we found volcanoes on. That was during the Voyager probes. And then you have Europa, which has an icy shell, and they figure there's water underneath and maybe organic life, or at least organic compounds. There's signs of organic compounds on the surface. Zoom out, and we'll take a quick look over to the Crowd Nebula. Sorry if I'm not kind of going blind here. That was in the recording area. Now, and this is a star that blew up in 1056. And if you have a good enough radio receiver, you can actually hear the pulsar inside, which is a fast-moving neutron star, giving off a click sound. And last night I was wrong. It wasn't in the Earths and Sirus that Mars was in. It was actually in Gemini. These are not live pictures, these are stock pictures. And then you have Phobos and Deimos. Cut the background, that's Deimos, that's Phobos. They're probably, Mars's moons are probably captured asteroids. Castor and Pollux. And you have Procyon, which is one of our nearby stars. It's about 11 light years away. And it's a binary star. It has an F. The F type is a star just hotter than our own. Then our type of G-type star. And then you have the white dwarf back behind. The white dwarf is kind of like a core of a star like the sun. Or it could have been another F type. And then we have Sirius, which is one of our closest stars. I don't think there's any closer ones in the northern hemisphere. It's about 8.26 light years away. And again, it's a binary star. Most stars are binary stars. planet doesn't generate its own heat. So we'll go over to Leo. Its own heat through nuclear fusion. And you can probably see this starting to get really high around 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Where was it a question mark to me in the line? But I guess we didn't have Doctor Who in the past, in the Greek times. Okay. Just a few things that's up there. Oh, forgot. How could you forget the Orion Nebula? If you take a look at the Orion Nebula, at the Orion constellation, and it's the sword area, and you can actually see this in a dark sky by naked eye. Not that great detail, but you can see a fuzzy area in there. And then over to this area, you have a good pair of binoculars or a small telescope. You may be able to see the Horsehead Nebula. I've actually never seen it on a telescope myself, just pictures. But I hope this gives you an idea of what's out there tonight, and how, even if you do get out between the second and third period or whenever during the hockey game, I hope you can take a quick look, and I hope you have a good night.